Hey there, audiology professionals! Latest innovation in sound field audiometry. The best in hearing assessments. What makes SayPro different? Is designed with cutting-edge technology but also enhances patient comfort and the system utilizes state-of-the-art accurate sound field testing in various environments. Booth or working in a more open space. One of the standout features is its user-friendly interface. Say goodbye to controls that make conducting tests a breeze. Plus, the real-time data analysis helps you make informed decisions. Experience. SayPro is designed with their comfort in mind. The customer more accurate. This is especially beneficial for testing young children or patients with regular software updates that your investment will remain at the forefront of audiological advancements. In summary, so why wait? With SayPro today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates on the latest in audiology. Until next time, keep innovating and providing the best care for your patients.